1. Place the eggs in the pot. Arrange the eggs in a single layer at the bottom of the saucepan. Avoid stacking them on top of each other, as this helps them cook evenly and reduces the chance of cracking. 2. Add cold water. Pour enough cold water into the pot to cover the eggs by about 2 to 3 centimeters, 1 inch. Starting with cold water allows the eggs to heat up gradually, making them less likely to crack. 3. Bring the water to a boil. Place the pot over medium-high to high heat and bring the water to a rolling boil. Once the water reaches a full boil, turn off the heat, cover the pot with a lid, and let the eggs sit in the hot water. 4. Choose your cooking time. The cooking time depends on how you like your eggs. 6 minutes, soft-boiled with a runny yolk. 8 minutes, jammy yolk with a creamy center. 10 minutes, mostly firm yolk. 12 minutes, hard-boiled with a fully cooked yolk. 5. Cool the eggs. Transfer the eggs immediately to a bowl of ice water and let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes. This stops the cooking process, prevents overcooking, and makes the shells much easier to peel. Tips for perfect boiled eggs. Older eggs are generally easier to peel than very fresh ones. Peel the eggs under running water to help remove the shell more easily. Store hard-boiled eggs in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.